Hello friends, welcome to the PK tutorial. Today we'll discuss about how many type of data analytics. Before we start the video, I request you all please like, comment and subscribe the PK tutorial and please press the bell icon for upcoming video notification. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Today we will explore the four different type of data analytics. First is Descriptive Analytics, second is Diagnostic Analytics, third is Predictive Analytics and fourth is Prescriptive Analytics. So I will explain it one by one. First is Descriptive Analytics. We have some basic question for it, that what is the Descriptive Analytics, what's the benefit of it and where should we use this analytics. Suppose we have a company and I want to know that what is happening and what happened in our business. So this analytics provide us basic detail of our past raw data. It's work on past raw data. Example, I started a YouTube channel and I want to know how many likes, comments and subscribe got on YouTube channel, which video going on best performance. So that kind of analytics is descriptive analytics. Next one is diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics based on descriptive analytics. It is also work on past data. This analytics provide us some useful and more detail like why is it happening and why an event happened in our business. It is mostly used in engineering and science field. Example, find out the reason of increase and decrease like on YouTube video. That why increased like and why decreased like. Third one is predictive analytics. This analytics very useful for future events, that what is likely to happen. In this analytics we will predict that how can we will get best result in future. This analytics do help by mathematics and statistics. We have short example for this analytics, that how can we increase more like on upcoming videos. Last is Prescriptive Analytics. This is the best on deeply analysis on predictive analysis, that what is the best course of action. If you want to more and much better result, then we will do use this type of analytics. It is the called future analytics. Most of company use this analytics to know customer behavior, which sector is best and where we will grow more. If we talk about the example, then what's the best method and categories of video that people like most and interested on YouTube, Netflix, Amazon. Prescriptive analytics is playing a key role to improve the performance in a number of areas involving various stakeholder pairs, providers and pharma companies. Thank you very much friend. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe or press the bell icon. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter for latest update. So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए और नॉलेज लेते रहिए. Thank you very much.